Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you DIY video lock. This has smart doorbell and smart lock. Let's check it out closely. It has camera, doorbell, and smart lock. 3-in-1 integration. This is 2K Ultra HD. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. These are some of the features. It has fingerprint unlock, remote unlock, password unlock, key unlock. You can do the video chat, motion detection, anti-hijacking, ultra-wide view. There we go. User manual. Here is the guidance paper. Let's check the door lock. Parts of the lock. Screw pads. Here are the physical keys. This is the other side of the lock. Chime. Here is the battery. Let's see. That's the doorbell. At the same time, we have the camera right there. There's the fingerprint and keypad. Here is the door, and I'm gonna go ahead and screw it right there. Then I will put this one right over here. The brand name is supposed to be at the top, right there. The last thing is, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right there. I already screwed it up over there. Next thing is gonna be put the cable inside it and then just push it. That's good. We're gonna get the cable out from here. There you go. Here is the second one. Now we're good to go. Here is the connection. The cable is gonna go over here. Let's complete the connection. Now we're good to go. Let's go ahead and close it. Now it's locked. Unlock, lock. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws in. 2 small screws are gonna go there and 1 long screw right there. Now let's close it. Unlock, lock. I'm gonna put the battery right over here and close this area. We're good to go. Then I'm gonna put this one right here and close it. That's it. We're good to go now. Here is the turn on and off button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. Next thing is we're gonna put this over here and push it. That's it. We're good to go.
Lock is not bound. Please bind to unlock.
Here is the lock area. If you want, you can just put it right there or right there, wherever you like. You can just turn it to the right or left. Let's check it out closely. I installed the application and created the account, and it found it by itself with Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and bind it. Now it's adding right there. Let's go ahead and add the device. And scanning. When you press and hold the power button on the doorbell, you can see it's smart doorbell. Let's go ahead and add. And I will go ahead and put the password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Now it's connecting.
Wi-Fi connected successfully.
Confirm. Next step. And we are done with the doorbell. Next thing, we're gonna add the lock. Now it's adding and it's gonna bind it. Now it's adding. That's it. We are done. Confirm. We have the lock, we have the doorbell. Let's see the doorbell. There we go. We're gonna select accessory to bind it with the lock and doorbell. Now bind it. That's it. Now it's gonna unlock. Awesome. We are done with the installation. Let's go ahead and check it out after the installation. There we go. We're just gonna go ahead and check real-time preview. And I'm right here. It has wide angle, as you can see, and the video quality is very sharp. And if you want to directly unlock it from here, you can do so. It's already unlocked. And let's check the quality. This is HD quality and this is SD quality. And you can take a picture, you can record a video. Oh, there is another thing. You can just talk. Let's see. Hello. All right. The speaker is inside, that's why. And you can hear the sound over there. Hello? Hello. As you can see. We're done with the doorbell camera. And let's go back and see. Right now we have 50% charge. And there are some other settings. Device sharing, unbind, modify device name, modify device owner, and delete the device. And you can see there's motion detection. Let's see. There are so many motion detections over here. Directly sending me the notification. Let's check the settings. Motion detection, auto response, power management, status lamp, anti-pry alarm, door lock settings. There is auto lock. You can turn it on and turn it off after 10 seconds or minute. These are the durations. Let's go back. I'm gonna close this. Video settings. There is night vision mode, automatic. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light and see how it's gonna see me. Real time. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights and see the night vision. Completely dark. Now you can see night vision is activated. Right there. It is very sharp. Let me turn on the lights. Check the change. Audio settings, notification setup, cloud storage, unbind. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and add my fingerprint. Let's go to lock settings. Press there, and you're gonna see real-time preview, local album, password management, offline password, fingerprint management. You can share the device with your loved ones, and device settings. Let's see fingerprints. I'm gonna go ahead and enroll. X, yes. Continue.
Register a new fingerprint. Continue scanning additional continue scanning additional fingerprint. Continue scanning additional fingerprint. Continue scanning additional fingerprint. Fingerprint added successfully.
Now fingerprint added. Let's see.
Verification succeeded.
Now it's unlocked.
Unlocked.
You can add more than one fingerprint. Let's go back and let's check the password management. No password yet. And we can use add user password or add guest password. There is offline password. You can send it to your friends and they can open it. And device settings. Let's check the anti-pry alarm. For these settings, if someone is trying to remove this, it's gonna give you the alarm. And here is the physical key. Alrighty, they can ring the bell like that. I can definitely suggest this doorbell and doorbell lock. It's because it has a doorbell camera, it has night vision, and you can unlock it with the passcode or your fingerprint.
Verification succeeded.
And you can use the physical keys.
Unlocked.
And these are all the things you can control on your phone. Tap, and it's gonna lock. Now it's locked. If you want to unlock, hold to unlock. Now it's unlocked.
Unlocked.
Another thing is you can just move this around and the camera sees better. And the quality is awesome. It has also motion detection in HD quality, and you can unlock it from here. These are all the things I like. That's why I can definitely suggest this product. I forgot one small detail right there. Here is the chime. There are two buttons on the chime. One is sound and the other one is changing the music. And first one, you can adjust the volume. The first one, when you press and hold, it's gonna be in pair mode. Right now, it's paired. Let me go ahead and ring the doorbell. Let's see again. That's awesome. Everything works well. Let me ring the doorbell and see what's gonna happen. We can go to the application and check it out. This is basically during daytime preview. Oh, check the quality. I'm gonna close the door. You can adjust it like that or like that. Awesome. Definitely suggest this product because you have so many ways to unlock. You can use fingerprint. There is doorbell and doorbell camera. It has night vision, and you can control everything on the application. You can unlock or lock, and you can add fingerprints. If someone is trying to steal this, let's see what's gonna happen. That's the alarm, and you're gonna get the notification too. This is awesome. And it has two-way audio talk. At the same time, you can talk. Like that. Definitely suggest it.